Over half an inch of rain already. Woo! Glad I pulled some weeds this morning. I pulled them because the ground's still damp from the last time we got rain, so it makes the stuff come out real easily. But yeah, this is coming right over the top of us.
Have the pump turned off right. There's a little bit of surge, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. We'll just have to listen. I may need to open that valve just a little bit more. Actually open it all the way. The replacement filter is doing fine. So, well, it's been a while, but this job is done. That's good because now if we run out of water in the upper tanks, I won't be burning up this motor, which is a good thing. I don't need to spend another almost $200 on a new pump motor.
Very cool. I just noticed that it was starting to rain. And back up far enough to actually get the whole thing. It's all the way over there. All the way over there. Stinker sitting on the opposite side of the feeder from me. Ah, there's two of them now. Well, at least one of these has got to be a male. The males are the ones that always stop to argue. Well, those are both girls. Got a great view of the tail on that one. Hummingbird Wars.
And the fourth battery is set up. I'm charging it so that it gets to be about the same voltage as the other three batteries. Oh, did I mention we were getting a new battery? Yeah, we did. We decided to buy an additional battery that brings our total storage to about 21 kilowatt hours, which will keep us through the nights and definitely over a 1 day of overcast. So hopefully I'll get this charged up pretty quick and we'll be able to commission it and be able to get going. And this is why we needed smaller pressure canner. We have a whopping 7 pints of stock that I made today. Irene and I just put it in jars. We're going to wait for this large canner to get to temperature, then it just needs to run for 20 minutes. So, that's one of the reasons. The aftermath of canning late at night. The pressure canner is all ready to open, and we have a whole whopping 7 pints of stock. It's 8 o'clock at night, and I just connected the 4th battery up for the solar system. That now gives us 21.4 or something like that kilowatt hours of battery storage, which should help quite a lot.